my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I'm super excited. As you guys can see, everything that's on this table. We are in my loft space and we are going to decorate it for the fall season. Sorry about the TV, the kids are actually here watching Diner Tiger. So we're gonna get this place decorated and I can't wait to see how it turned out. For you to see how I transform all the shenanigans to beautiful decor. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another video, guys. I got a new table. I love this table. It's like this full brick concrete table. It's my favorite, but my favorite this season about this decorate with me with these pillows. I love the rich warm tone mixing with the white. It's just so beautiful and it just brought everything to life. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Gladys. If this is the very first time you're seeing my face or my videos, my name is Gladys. I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button. We are in for fall, guys, and I'm super duper excited. So I got this basket at Ross and it was originally downstairs, but I wasn't feeling it. So I brought it upstairs where my fireplace used to go. And I'm loving the warmth that it brought here. It just feels super cozy. For many of you guys who follow me, you do know that I decorate very minimally. This season, I wanted to add lots of colors. I feel like I don't play with colors much. My decors are very, the colors are very neutral. But this season, I really wanted to pop colors everywhere. I want, when you look at the video, you see like, wow, this is fall. And guys, if you want to see the whole home tour, stay tuned because the new video is coming your way. And I will show you guys the whole home tour, downstairs, upstairs, and everywhere else I decorate for fall. But for right now, we are just having fun decorating.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one.
Guys, if you want to see more videos from me, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate if you already subscribed. Go ahead and like this video so that this video can do well. I thank you guys so much for following all the time. But I'm going to go ahead and decorate this table very simply. This is not my fall tablescape. I will do that and the video is going to be coming your way. But stay tuned to the end. You get to see the reveal of the whole room. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video.
Let's keep this fire alive. If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to